We make thousands of ads and generate tens of millions of dollars in client revenue every single month. And in this video, I'm gonna break down the exact script structure that we use to turn cold scrollers into buyers. And by the end, you will have a complete framework, script, and direction to write ads that actually make money. So let's get into it. The first thing and the most important is a good hook. And the goal of the hook is very, very simple. It is simply just to make the viewer stop scrolling long enough to actually watch your video. The goal of the hook is not to sell. The goal of the hook is not to make the consumer click. The goal is literally just to stop the scroll. So first, I'm going to show you a couple of keys to do this, and then I'm going to show you an example of an ad creative that we made for one of our clients. First thing is that there needs to be some form of visual hook. And what this means is it doesn't matter what the copy says if there's not something interesting happening on the screen immediately when the customer scrolls and sees your ad. The next thing is going to be curiosity-based copy, and this is extremely important. It's like what I said in the beginning. The goal of the hook is just to get the person to stop scrolling. You do that by invoking the emotion of curiosity as they hit your ad. So I'll show you exactly what I mean by that with this example.
The girls got the leggings with the butt enhancing tech.
So it says, the girls got the leggings with the butt enhancing tech. Immediately, within 1 second of seeing this hook, you're qualified. This is only going to hit people deep or into the gym industry because people in the gym industry know about the leggings with actual technology that enhances the way the girl's butt looks, right? And this also invokes curiosity because you're like, oh, if the girl's got the leggings with the butt lift tech, what's next? You know what I mean?
Worker made tanks for the boys with chest enhancing tech.
So worker made tanks for the boys with chest enhancing tech. The boys are probably wondering, whoa, what is this? What does this mean? What did worker make? How does this have chest enhancing tech, right? So we got a good visual hook, the girl butt lift leggings, and then we made them curious to watch the rest of the video by claiming that worker made tank tops with chest enhancing technology. This is important because we don't just want to stop the scroll, right? We want to actually qualify our ICP in the hook as well. And this one does exactly that. So the next part of the video is going to be the body of the video. And the goal of the body of the video is just to sell the product based on already proven messaging. So I talk about this a lot in the channel. Before I go and write video scripts, I am diving deep and doing a lot of static volume. And what this static volume allows me to do is test a lot of different customer profiles, a lot of different angles, and a lot of different types of messaging very, very quickly and cost effectively. And then based on the results of these tests, we do it extremely structured so that we can have very good comparative data. After we run those tests, it's super easy for us to build video scripts and actually sell the product the way that consumers are buying it. We actually know why people are buying it, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna show you a couple of keys to doing this. The first is you need value proposition or unique mechanism solution based copy. What do I mean by this? So value proposition or unique mechanism solution is essentially selling your product as the solution to the problem or as the next best thing that's coming out in the market. The next best key is the thing that I talked about earlier. Just make your copy based on proven messaging. Don't just throw stuff at the wall. Don't just have your influencers free balling it or making, regular get ready with me creatives. There needs to be some type of science behind the copy, and you need to have a value proposition. You need to have a unique mechanism solution, and you need your copy to be based on something that actually matters. You need to have a reason for why people are going to buy your product. So here's a good example of this.
This is not your cheap store-bought tank top.
This is not your cheap store-bought tank top. So we're immediately disqualifying the unique mechanism problem or the problem with the products in this space.
Them cheap tanks, they gonna stretch out fast. These worker tanks are built for bodybuilders, powerlifters, and hard work.
Then we're going into selling identity. With apparel, angles are really hard. A big one that we see a lot of success with the apparel brands that we work with is identity.
They built this thing for us. It has thick cotton type fabric and sculpted fibers that snap it right back into place. We're training it.
And then we're providing our product as a solution to the problem of the cheap store-bought tanks by talking about, our selling points, our USPs.
Training it, working it, wear it all day, and it's still gonna hold this shape. Stop with the loose tank tops.
Train in it, work in it, wear it all day, and it's still gonna hold its shape. That's another selling point that we found that people actually like. Again, it's not gonna stretch out like a cheap store-bought tank top, and then we're providing all of the use cases for the product. So the CTA, and this is also very important, and this can differentiate you from your competition. A lot of people have high hook rates. A lot of people have decent hold rates. They make videos that people watch, but they're not actually getting people to buy. And there's a very simple reason as to why that is. And it's because you just get to the end of the video and you say, check it out, or live on our website, or selling out fast, right? And that's not what the goal of the CTA is. You need to be overcoming objections and doubt in the end of your video. So if the goal of the hook, the first 5 seconds or so, is to get people to stop scrolling and just watch the video, and then the goal of the body of the video is to sell the product, position it as the unique mechanism solution, then what are you going to do after that? You got people to watch, you got people interested in buying your product. Now you need to overcome any objection and doubt that they have about buying the product. So the keys in doing this are risk reversal based copy, as well as social proof, reviews, offers, and objection handling. Now, what do I mean by this? Risk reversal is your standard, 30-day money back guarantee, or, free shipping, or things like that. Social proof and reviews are huge because it separates you from every other dropshipper on the platform who's spending a ton of money. You're a legitimate business, you're a legitimate brand. You need to have social proof and reviews towards the end of your video that make you look like a legitimate brand. This is also the time that you put your offer in. You don't just get, the good tank top or the good hat or the good protein powder. You also get it at a discount or an offer or a bundle. So let's look at a good example of this. So we're about 30 seconds into this video, and I'm gonna show you the last 2 or 3 seconds of the actual body of the video, and then the last 20 seconds of this video are totally in CTA and objection handling.
There's a reason why it's priced how it's priced. And yeah, it's not for people that want to cheap out on product.
Cheap out on product. This is a premium priced hat for, in comparison to the other hats in the industry. So we're immediately handling the price objection in the ad.
And if for some reason you don't like the hat, don't worry. We have free shipping, free US returns, and a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee.
Immediate risk reversal. So if we got them with the hook, they watched the body of the video, we sold it to them in the way that normal people are buying the hat, right? Whatever that may be, based off the proven messaging that we already got from Statics. Now we're immediately addressing their objection that they could have, price, and we're adding in risk reversal with a 30-day money back guarantee.
I promise you won't want to, but in case you do, it's on us. You have nothing to worry about. Over 20,000 people already trust us with their headwear needs.
Then quick little scroll through of reviews, 20,000 people trust with their headwear needs.
And that's why we've sold over 45,000 hats in just under 2 years.
And then we've sold 45,000 hats. So we perfectly handled any objections that the customer might have. We also added in risk reversal, and then we also added in social proof, testimonials, and reviews. So just a little quick summary, and then I'm gonna get you into an exact video structure that you can test right now. That is the structure of many of the videos that we've made that have high 6 figures in purchase conversion value just on one video ad. So obviously, step 1, the hook. All we wanna do is make them stop scrolling. Step 2, the body. All we wanna do is sell the product based on the messaging that we already know sells. We don't want to just let the influencer go wild, not give them any direction, and we don't want to write scripts that are based on non-proven data. We don't want to write these scripts that we haven't already validated. And then the CTA, we don't just want to put a 5-second long CTA at the end of our video. We actually want to overcome the objections, doubt, and show them that we are a legitimate company, a legitimate brand. So we're getting towards the end of the video. I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite video structures that I've ran for pre-workout companies, protein companies, apparel brands, all kinds of brands. We even run this for our ads for the agency. This is a no-brainer. If you haven't already ran a video that follows this exact structure, you can do it in a UGC format, you can do it in a VSL format, you can do it in a founder-led VSL format. This absolutely prints. So in the hook, you want to call out the ICP and call out the angle or the piece of messaging that you're going to hit. And that doesn't mean that the stuff that I said earlier doesn't still hold true. You still need to have some type of visual hook, and you still need to be speaking with curiosity-based copy. The next thing is storytelling. What is the problem, right? You need to tell a story of how you're solving the problem, and you need to relate to the ICP. The third is going to be the transition between the unique mechanism problem and the unique mechanism solution. Now, what does this mean? This means the unique mechanism problem is cheap store-bought tank tops that stretch out fast, and the unique mechanism solution is a new tank top with better fibers that holds its shape, that you can wear all day, that lasts a long time, right? Think about that. Same thing for your product. And when you're writing this copy, you want to remember this is basically just why your product works and other products don't. Then we're getting into the beginning of the CTA towards the end of the video. We've already gotten them to watch. We've already gotten them to kind of believe in our product. We've already talked to them about the things that hundreds or thousands of other people have already bought our product, the reasons why they've bought it, right? So now we want to get into risk reversal. We either want to make a guarantee or a warranty. Then we want to show tons of testimonials. So you can show what your product did for people, or you can just show sheer volume of good 5-star reviews. And then the very, very end of the video, you don't just want to say, check it out on the website. You want to add some sort of offer, some sort of urgency, or some sort of scarcity. So again, the goal of the hook is just to get them to watch a little bit. This storytelling and then why we work versus other don't. This is where we want to sell. This is where we want to convince this cold scroller, I might actually buy this product, right? And then all of this down here is just to push them across the line, right? If they've already committed 30 seconds to watching our video, they're pretty interested in buying the product. Now we just need to push them across the line just a little bit with that risk reversal, with the social proof, with urgency, scarcity, and a good offer. All right, so that's the framework we're generating tens of millions of dollars a month with our clients. Obviously, we follow some other scripts, but that's like the OG, been running that forever, works great. Now, if you're a direct-to-consumer brand spending more than $50,000 a month on Meta right now, I have something for you. If you want me to personally dive into your ad account, look at your current ads, what you're currently doing in terms of creative production, and show you exactly where you can improve, I am actually offering creative audits this week. I'll go through your ad account with you, analyze what's working, what's not, and show you exactly how we would optimize your creative strategy. So there is a link below where you can book your free audit, and I'm only offering 5 spots all of next week, 1 per day. So they are likely going to fill up fast. So if you're serious about scaling your creative output, go ahead and grab a spot. And if you made it to the end of the video, comment UMP or UMS, just so the people who didn't make it to the end of the video are confused when they get to the comment section. All right, hopefully you learned something from this video. See you in the next one.